Honey is a natural sweetener and that has been discovered a century ago. And it is considered best to use the honey instead of using the refined sugar, which is considered to be 100% empty calories. And apart from this, honey that have been extracted from this honeycomb contains various phytochemicals which are very good and essential for human body. And today we are going to see about some of the important factors and the benefits of honey and what happens if you take honey every day. Honey is a thick sweet liquid that is being produced by the honeybees, which we extract from the honeycomb. Honey is a moderate calorie food as it contains 64 calories in just 21 grams, and along with that it also contains sugars like fructose, glucose, maltose, sucrose and a lot more. As there are no fat, proteins or carbohydrates present in the honey, the content of vitamins and minerals is also found very less. However, the medicinal property of the honey makes it to be remembered always. Honey is a great source of antioxidants such as a specific type of organic acids and phenolic compounds like flavonoids, and because of this antioxidants, the free radicals that are being produced in the human body constantly is being neutralized, and because of this our cells will be prevented from the cell damage, and furthermore in some cases it also prevents the formation of cancer. And according to the scientists, they believe that the organic acid and the phenolic compounds present in the honey, they form a combination and becomes a very good antioxidant that can be used by the humans all the time. And always remember, based on the type of plant and the location, the quality of the honey can vary. It also includes the flavor. And do you know that the food that are very rich in antioxidant can also prevent the heart related diseases, which is considered to be one of the biggest problem in a human's life. And we all know and we have been always suggested to have honey compared to the table sugar. And do you know why? Though sugar is a sugar, the sugar that is present in the honey is always considered to be better compared to the sugar that we use on the table. This is because of the vitamins and the less nutrients that is present in the honey is always beneficial compared to the other sugars. Though there are some of the studies suggest that the sugar content that is present in the honey increases the level of sugar in the blood, it reduces the LDL like cholesterol, which causes bad effect on the heart is being reduced. It is also advised to have honey for the diabetic people if they are so much urged to have a sweetener taste. If you really want to gain weight in a natural way, then we recommend you to consume 2 to 3 spoons of honey, especially added in the warm milk, and try to consume a glass of milk before going to the bed. This will give you a great result. And if you want to detoxify your body or to get it reduced, you can have 2 to 3 spoons of honey added in the hot water and consume it early in the morning. And what happens is like this honey that is being consumed in the mentioned way will remove the toxins that have been built inside your body, and this will eventually help you to have a very glowing skin. And on the other hand, you can also apply this honey directly on your skin, or you might have a mixture of lemon juice and get it applied on your face. This would give you a great glowing skin and people would definitely find you more attractive. And we all know that honey is being used in various medicinal purposes. You can also apply this honey as a topical cream for the wounds and cuts that are being made on your skin. Since the honey contains a great source of antibacterial and antifungal properties, it can cure the wounds and scratches like things on the skin quicker. Especially the Manuka honey is considered to be one of the best medicine to be applied on the wounds and burns on the skin. Do you have kids? Are they affected by the cough? Are they sleeping well in the night? If they're not sleeping well in the night because of the cough, then probably you can offer a spoon of honey to your kids so that they'll have a good sleep and have a soothing effect on the upper respiratory tract and the throat. The antibacterial property of this honey has all the abilities to fight against the infectious bacterial systems such as Staphylococcus aureus, which is a common upper respiratory tract infectious agent. As the honey has these many beneficial effects on human body, why don't you start consuming this honey? And we all know that we cannot able to replace completely the table sugar using this honey. However, you can have at least 5 to 10 ml a week, which can offer you a great antioxidant effect. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.